Are you ready to see what Wantable's Flower Power Edit has to offer? I'm curious, so stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy hanging out with me is Bandit. He may start barking at his own reflection, but I can't help that. And Chloe is just out in the other room, just hanging out. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So, the Wantable had a Flower Power Edit. There is a free, I think, bandana in there, and it was a $5 styling credit. So, with that, if there's nothing I like and I send it all back, didn't cost me much. I actually, got the bandana, so I'm coming about even. Now, Wantable is a stylist subscription service. They send you 7 items. They have different edits. They have also different types of edits. So they have their style edits, their sleep and body, and then their kind of like athletic type edit. So with that, you would get either loungewear or athletic type clothing, that sort of thing. Within those, they also have specialty edits that they offer on an ongoing basis. So right now, what they have is the Flower Power Edit. They have a shorts edit, a bestsellers edit. I believe the bestseller and the shorts edit, though, they're about to discontinue. They'll probably offer them again next year. A pop of color edit and a summer. There could be more, but you just got to check them out if you're interested, and you'll see what they have. They say that there's specialty items for that. I don't necessarily know that they are. I feel like I get stuff from the regular stream. They just have some things that are a little bit more earmarked to go towards that. So, 7 items. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. If you're interested in trying it, I do have a code down below that gets you $25 off of your first edit, and it gets me $25 off of my next one. So if you're interested and you want to use it, give it a try. If not, that's cool too. It is a little bit more on the expensive side. I would say it's a little bit more expensive than Stitch Fix. So, budget-wise, it's not always the most pocket-friendly subscription, I will tell you that. It's better than some that I've tried. So, I do have a stylist, Jordan, who tends to pick out some really nice things for me. Every now and then, the whole box is a bust, but usually I do better than I really want to do because I'd like to send more back. Here is your sneak peek. Kind of a chunky. That doesn't feel very springy. Okay. So here is the card. It has a note from your stylist. It has pictures of everything as well as the prices. I tend to go over those as we're trying things on. There's a return envelope to send back anything that you don't want to keep. You do get 5 days, and you can always request an extension, and they're really good about giving you even additional time if you need it. Maybe you can't get to the post office. Maybe your area's having crazy weather. Maybe you're working extra shifts. So for whatever reason, if you need an extension, they'll give you an extension even above and beyond that. This is the jewelry pouch that they're using currently. They've had a couple different ones. All right, there's a pouch within a pouch. This says Zenzi. It's a nice pouch. Okay, there are these flower earrings. I don't really know that that's my style necessarily. By Thread and Supply is this striped, it's a sweater-like material, tank sweater, I guess. Go nice underneath a sweater, certainly with a nice cardigan. I like the colors on this one. This is by Skies Are Blue, and it's an adjustable strap camisole, so there are little adjusters in the back there so that you can make it shorter if you need to, but I do like this. This is a blue with white flowers and then like a little bit of like a cranberry color in the center, like that. By West Key, this is kind of a blousey type material, and it's yellow with these little blue flowers. There's some white in there. It does have a knot front. Now the knot sides I like. I know this isn't the best looking top on me, but it's a rainy day, so I'm just kicking back doing nothing. By RD Style is this cropped cardigan in I don't know what color you would call that. Like a very dark pink. It is kind of heavy though. It's got the drop sleeve, a little bit of patterning in there. I'll try it on. It'll look cute with that blue camisole. Here is my free scarf. So there were multiple patterns that you could have gotten. This one's real cute. Oh. Like a little ring in here to store it on, I guess, you know, so you can just like hang it. Very pretty. Likely my daughter will use that for her hair. By the Silver Jean Company is this pair of boyfriend shorts, mid-rise. Little tiny bit of distressing right there. That's all. It is folded up. The hem is sewn on both sides. I do prefer that because once it comes unfolded, getting it refolded in that exact way. Look, see, it's already coming. You know what? Are you starting to come on down in the back? I'm not a fan of having to iron, and that would have to be ironed. So these may be a no-go for me. And also by the Silver Jean Company is a pair of white jeans. These are the Suki Curvy Fit Mid-Rise Skinny Leg Eco-Friendly jeans. All right, it does have a full bottom. I don't like it when it's cut off on the bottom because I kind of feel like I'm walking around looking like a pirate. I don't know, maybe that's just a me thing. Okay, I'm going to get to trying these items on, and we'll take a look, see how they look, and look at prices and decide what we're going to keep. All right, I will be right back. All right, I am back with the first outfit. So I tried on the jeans with the little blue and white camisole, and then because it has those little pops of red in the center, I put this sweater on over top. Now this sweater is enormous. I mean, enormous. I'm sure it's meant to be oversized, but I don't think it really does me any kind of favors being this much oversized. So the jeans are the Suki skinny jeans in white by the Silver Jean Company. This was a requested item. They're $78. I have a pair of white jeans very similar, so I'm probably going to pass on these just because I don't need another pair just like them for a lot more. The floral printed cami in royal white by Skies Are Blue, $48. This was also a requested item. So there's 3 things in here that were requested items. The sweater is the Joni Pontel Detail Cropped Cardigan in Magenta, $89. That's a lot. That's a lot. Now the cardigan on its own, I think, does have some potential as a keeper. I do need to find a comfortable yet supportive strapless bra. So there is that, because this is obviously not something you can wear a bra underneath. I like that it's got like the blue underneath as well. It does have such pretty detail. I would have to try this on with something else to see how I like it, because I definitely wouldn't be wearing just this to work. You know, that's just not office appropriate. Okay, on to the next outfit. Here's the next outfit. The shorts are super comfortable, but I had to tell you, I don't really need them. I do have plenty of jean shorts just like this, so I will probably be sending those back unless they're like $28. The shirt, I don't know. I don't know if I like that or not. I like the print, I like the colors, but I don't know how that is looking. So I have to play that back and see what I think of it. It is pretty sheer, so definitely would need a tank top underneath, which with something like this, I wouldn't so much mind. I mean, I would be used to, that would make sense to me versus like under a cotton t-shirt. And then I did try on the earring. So the earrings are the Buttercup Floral Stud Earrings in yellow by Zenzi, and they are $35, and I just don't know if I $35 like these. I don't know. I kind of feel like I can get something similar if I really liked them from Kohl's or something like that. The top is the floral woven short sleeve, twist front top in gold, $54. Just make sure I'm reading that right. Yes, $54 by West Key. Now, I mean, it is a blouse type, you know, shirt, so I don't think that's terribly bad. Do I think I could get a less expensive top at Marshall's or TJ Maxx? Yes, I could, but I haven't seen something like this. But again, I'm not 100% sure I'm sold on it anyway, so we're putting that in the maybe pile. The shorts are the Boyfriend Cuffed Short in Indigo. That's by the Silver Jean Company, and they are $64. So I do not need $64 jean shorts when I have a pair very, very similar. I mean, they're cute and they're very comfortable. I will tell you that they're very, very comfortable. They fit very well. I do like them, but I just don't need them. So for $64, they can go back. I have one more top to try on, so let's see if I'm any more successful with that. And here is that last top. And it's super cute, but it's also super short. So I was really hopeful on this one. It puckers there, so it definitely needs to be a larger size because the girls are just a little too big for this. It also kind of accentuates the love handles there, and these jeans are by no means too tight. But it's also super, super short. Like, I could not lift my arms to grab anything without everything being shown. So I think if this were in a larger size and a little bit longer, this would be my keeper. But I don't know. If I can exchange it for an extra large, I might give that a try because I do really love the colors in here. And I could see it going with a lot of different things. So We'll see. This is the Mia Tank in Ivory Blue Stripe by Thread and Supply, and it is $44. So I don't know. I don't know if there's much in this box that I'm going to be keeping. I might send the whole box back. I mean, it was only $5 styling fee, and I got the free bandana, so, you know, the earrings are cute, but, yeah, they're not really my favorite. So this, I'll see if I can exchange it for another size. The magenta sweater was just way too big and way too expensive. The yellow top I'm not sure of. I'll have to look and see how that looked. Oh, the blue camisole. That might be a keeper. I do want to go up a size on that though, because it was a little tight in this area as well. So I have to see. I have to see what's exchangeable, what isn't. The shorts and the pants are definitely going back. They're just too expensive. I mean, these are super comfortable, but I do have other jeans just like it, so there's no need to, for what these cost. Like I said, if they were on sale, if I go to check out and they're like half price, then yeah, I'll keep them, but otherwise they are going back. All right, let me know your thoughts. What did you like? What would you have kept? I don't know, this might be another semi-bust, but there's at least two things. This and the other blue top I do like, but size-wise, both of them would have to be exchanged. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you like this kind of comment. I do a lot of clothing unboxings. I try a lot of the different Wantable edits because they have so many different ones. I also do Stitch Fix. I do a lot of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, and giveaways. So if you're into that, and hey, who doesn't like free things, right? Hit that subscribe button if you would. All right, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.